Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Hope you have watched my videos on Fourier series analysis in my channel. I have uploaded several videos, several problems and solutions regarding Fourier series so far in my channel, and I will request you to watch those videos too. So today we have one MCQ problem regarding Fourier series. Here you can see the problem. Here we have one plot, the step function, and we have to obtain the Fourier series of this function. So let's start. So here, as you can see, that ft can be written as a for 0 to ty2 and 0 for ty2 to t. You can verify it. Okay. Moreover, we can write that ft plus capital T is equal to ft. Note that 2 pi by t is omega, so we can use this later because we have omega in the options. So let's try to find a0. Here our function is this, and so we can write that it is a integration, and this time I can write 1 by t by 2 0 to t by 2. As you know that a function can be written in Fourier series as a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by c plus b n sin n pi x by c, and for that we can write a0 is equal to 1 by c 0 to c say fx dx, this thing. So here c is equal to t by 2. So I am writing this. So it is basically 2 by t a and t integration of dt results that, so t by 2, 2a by t times t by 2, so it is basically a. So we have got a0 is equal to a. Now an would be 1 by t by 2, which can be written as 2 by t. So I am writing 2 by t, 0 to t by 2, a I am taking out of the integration, and it would be cos n pi t divided by t by 2 dt. So basically this is t 0 to t by 2 cos 2n pi t by t dt. So 2a by t sine of 2n pi t divided by t by 2, and it is 2n dt only. So 2n pi by t and 0 to t by 2, it will be 0. So 2a sine 2n pi, and it is t by 2t divided by 2n pi by t, and sine 0 is 0 and it is sine n pi. So basically we are getting 0. And now find bn. So I can write it like this: 0 to t by 2 sine n pi t 2n pi t dt divided by t. You can write it, and just find the value. So t minus cos 2n pi t by t divided by 2n pi by t, and the limit is 0 to t by 2. So it is basically 2a by t minus cos, this is cos n pi, so cos n pi plus cos 0 divided by 2n pi by t. So basically this would produce minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1, and it is becoming 2n pi by 2. So we can write it 2n pi by t. So actually we are getting a by n pi, and it is minus 1 whole to the power n plus 1. Look that Bn is 0 when n is an even number. We will only get non-zero Bn values for when n is an odd number. So B1 would be 2a by pi, and B3 would be 2a by 3 pi, and B5 would be 2a by 5 pi, and so on. So finally we can write ft is equal to a0 by 2. A0 was a, so I can write a by 2, and 2a by pi I can take it common, so I can write sine n is equal to 1 pi 2 pi t by capital T, and sine it would be 6 pi t by capital T divided by 3. So and I can write 1 by 5 sine 3 then 5 10 pi t by capital T, and so on. So further I can write this as, look that 2 pi by t capital T is omega, so I can write is sine omega t, and divided plus 1 by 3 sine 3 omega t plus 1 by 5 sine 5 omega t, and so on. So let's see the results and our answer. So you note the answer here, and let's check the options. So I can see our result matches with option B. So option B is the right representation, Fourier series representation of this function given here. So hope you have understood the problem. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and please consider subscribing my channel. It is very important for me, and please do share this video with your friends also. I have already uploaded several videos on different topics. You can check out those videos. I have uploaded Fourier series analysis in Fourier series playlist, different vector related problems, different things are there in my channel. Research related topics are also available, so you can subscribe my channel. Obviously I reckon it would be really beneficial for you as well. So with regards, signing off, myself Ayun Sarkar. Thanks a lot.